In this video, we'll examine the workflow for users designated as payroll coordinators. In this example, we'll log in as a payroll coordinator in the demonstration account. In order to log in and process real pledges, however, make sure you are registered and logging in at your specific CFC's account. The payroll coordinator role is the one who's responsible for printing or downloading online pledge data in order to deliver it to the payroll centers. In order to become a payroll coordinator, you must first have registered at your CFC's account. Your CFC administrator will then upgrade your registration to one with payroll coordinator privileges. Once your CFC administrator has upgraded you to a payroll coordinator, you will log into your CFC's account. As a payroll coordinator, you will see a top menu item called Payroll. There are 3 different methods available for processing pledges. First, we will look at the single print method. On the left are federal agency locations that have unprocessed pledges. You will only see federal agency locations for which you have been given access. By clicking on one of the locations, you will see a list of all its unprocessed pledges. Click on one of the pledge icons to see the pledge details. In order to process a pledge, click the Step 1 of 2 button, which is at the top. Verify that the printed pledge looks correct. Next, click Step 2 of 2 button at the top, which marks the pledge as processed and removes it from the list. It also erases the SSN number from the pledge. That pledge is now processed, and you could continue with the next pledge on the list. We will now look at the second method for processing pledges, which is bulk print. After selecting the federal agency location, click Step 1 to process all pledges. You will now have printed out all the pledges for that location, with 1 pledge printed per page. After verifying the print looks accurate, click Step 2. This will remove those pledges from the workflow and erase the associated SSN numbers from the system. The final method for processing is bulk export, which is downloading and saving the data into a spreadsheet. Before using this method, please make sure this will work with your payroll center. In this case, click the other Step 1, which will export all pledges in the federal agency location. After verifying and saving the export, click Step 2. This will remove those pledges from the workflow and erase the associated SSN numbers from the system. Pledges that you have previously processed can be viewed at any time. The payroll coordinator also has the ability to enter paper pledge envelope data. Please check with your CFC admin to determine if this will be used in your CFC region. The payroll coordinator can log into CFC Nexus at any time in order to perform these functions. If you have questions about processing online pledges, please contact your CFC administrator.